All right, now that we know a plethora of ways to solve proportions, let's actually write some now and then solve them. So in this video, we're going to write 3 proportions, and then we're going to just choose any method we'd like, mental math, cross multiplying, just multiplication, in order for us to solve the proportion. So it just says find the value of x so that the ratios are equivalent. So in other words, it's saying find the value of x so that we can form a proportion. So let's write 2 to 4 and x to 6 as 2 fractions. So 2 over 4, and then we're going to go ahead and say equals x over 6. Okay, so now for this one, I'm going to use cross multiplication. So we're going to do 4 times x and 6 times 2. So 4x equals 12. We divide by 4, so we get x is equal to 3 for number 1. So 2 to 4 would be equal to 3 to 6. That's half, right, for each one. All right, number 2, x to 5 and 8 to 2. So x over 5 is equal to 8 over 2. Okay, so now for this one, I'm just going to use multiplication. This was a different method that we could use. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 5 here. So that's going to cancel out my 5, and we get x is equal to 8 times 5 would be 40, and 40 divided by 2 would be 20. So number 2, we get x is equal to 20. Okay. All right, number 3, 4 to 3 and 10 to x. So 4 over 3 is equal to 10 over x. Okay. I'm actually going to cross multiply here again. So we get 3 times 10 and x times 4. So 4x is equal to 30. Let's divide both sides by 4. And we get x is equal to 30 divided by 4. Well, we know 28 divided by 4 would be 7. And that would leave us with 2/4 remaining. So that would be 7.5. So if you want to check that, you can do 30 divided by 4 in your calculator. And we do get 7.5. All right, so we did a lot of videos on proportions, but now we should know plenty of methods to solve a proportion, and now also in this video, how to write the proportion before we are tasked with solving it.